discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
215s on a 12 kit.
Okay. So we can put this up real quick for some info.
Yeah.
Just it's quieter. Wow. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Brad.
Brad, okay.
Brad Knott.
All right.
215s, 2 ZVX 15s on a 12 kit half ohm.
What amp is it? The
Terramps.
Terramps, okay.
MD12 kit.
Is this a 4th order?
Yeah.
Okay. Who built it?
I did.
All right, nice. Nice. What's your electrical like?
2 out all the way back. 80 amp Ying Longs.
Okay.
On a 250 alt.
270 amp all.
250.
Did a good job sealing it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't put. I put that. I had an 8K on it. At 2 ohms, but then I put the 12K on it and it busted the roof.
It busted the roof. Did you build this in the vehicle or just you built it in? Wow, a lot of fabrication work involved. Very nice. I'm surprised you haven't broken this. Okay. Can I see the back of the door?
Yeah.
Behind there. Nice. Is there a way you can play one more, or are you good?
Yeah.
Awesome, yeah, man. It has a higher frequency peak that I noticed is like in the mid 40s or so.
Yeah, I think it's tuned to like 50.
50 hertz, so it peaks a little high. But it still plays down to like 32, 33 hertz.
No, I can play down to 26.
Oh, 26. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. That last song, you can tell with the windows down, that high frequency will get you a little bit in the neck. So thank you for showing me, man.